Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about another indicator called TRIX or triple exponential average. The triple exponential average indicator is an oscillator. So we discussed many other oscillators before, and this oscillator also used to identify oversold and overbought markets, and also it can be used as a momentum indicator and the trend indicator. As we discussed the other oscillators, this indicator also is similar. So TRIX oscillator oscillates around the zero line. As you can see here, this is a zero line. And it oscillates around this zero line. So just I have added this to the chart. If you're using eToro Pro Charts, you can just go here to setting and find it under study tools and just go to TRIX here and add it. I already added to the chart, and I used period of 14, which is the preset. Depending on your trading style, you might change it maybe to 20 or other numbers. But whatever you do, back test it for a while, test it on demo accounts, then decide if it's right for you to use it on the real account. When TRIX is used as an oscillator, a positive value like here indicates overbought. So these are indicating overbought, which I'm not a fan of this scenario anyway, but it's widely used as that among the traders. I don't like this aspect of that, but just to let you know what other traders using. So yeah, as I said, positive value is overbought market, while a negative value is the oversold market. As I said, don't rely on that too much because, as explained, TRIX indicator has another aspect, which is the momentum. So when we use TRIX as a momentum indicator, a positive value suggests the momentum is increasing. So here you can see momentum is increasing, although it says overbought, but because momentum is too high and trend is just keep going, so price moves higher and higher. Many traders believe that when TRX crosses above the zero line, it gives you a buy signal like here. So they say when we cross above zero line, just put a buy, open a buy position. And when it goes below the zero line, then you can put the sell or open your buy. But frankly, by the time it goes above, it reaches to the zero line, and it's a bit too late. So I'm gonna explain the strategy and how I use this indicator. As you can see, I have added two moving averages as well. If you followed my videos, or if you're following my channel, you know that I always trade in the direction of the current trend. So never go against the trend, okay? That's the reason, just to show you how, that this is the easy way to recognize the trend, the two moving averages. Many people use TRIX itself as the trend indicator. So more lines above zero, like here, you can see it means that we are in we are in the uptrend. And when we stay more below the zero line, we are in downtrend. But I prefer using two moving averages for the trend for now. And when it goes to the TRIX itself, you know, just a little bit about how TRIX calculates. TRIX calculates a triple exponential moving average uh, of the price. So it means TRIX is the moving average of the moving average of the moving average. So it's a triple exponential moving average of the log of the price input over the period of time. So it means that it just makes price smoother and smoother, and it reduces the uh, noises. So you can see here price goes down, but TRIX doesn't show that much attention to those price movements, and it just smooths a bit the price. Okay, back to strategy. Yep, as you can see here, we are in uptrend. So we just go and open buy when it's in uptrend. But for the signal, I prefer to add another moving average, but this time to the field of the TRIX indicator. And if your TRIX period set to 14, then I normally go to half of that for the signal. So put 7 and create. You can see the red one is the normal just moving average, and black line here is TRIX indicator, or triple exponential average. Okay, for the strategy, when we are in uptrend, so this is the first step. Recognize the trend. Here we have uptrend. Okay, then you should wait for crossover. Let's see. Okay, that was the 7, and that was, yeah. So then you go for the crossover. As you can see, TRIX goes above the moving average, so it's a buy. I wait for the indicator and moving average to go under the zero line, and then put a buy signal. You can also choose this one, the crossover here also is a good entry. You can go buy here and close here, but never choose this one. In this particular, just let me add a couple of vertical lines here. As I said, this was a good one. So I hate some of these futures in eToro. I should always use that trading view, but I don't know why I'm doing this. Okay, another line vertical here. Okay, so you can see this was an entry, which was very nice, and the close. Another vertical line here. Okay, you can see very nicely we entered the trade here, buy, and closed here. Then we don't listen to this sell signal. We go to next buy. We have a buy here, which is not a very good one, but we're not losing anyway on this one. And another line. Yep. Then you see it goes up, and exit is just here, so you're losing on this one, and again it gives you another buy signal here, which will be the good one. Okay, another buy signal here. Then it goes and you close the trade at the top, which is here. And don't forget, I prefer using TRIX on the bigger bigger time frames. So like daily, as you can see, I'm using that on daily time frame here. So very nicely, just I'm adding a couple of arrows to see what the entries. This was a good one, and also this was a good one. We had one false here, but very minor. So you can see it's not a bad indicator if you can just set it up and you know, if you know how to use it. But you know, old-fashioned, if you want to wait for the crosses, you know, it's maybe, you know, just let me delete the moving average. If you just sell here and buy here, it's already a bit, and you're losing this one anyway. So, you know, it's not that perfect by itself, but it can be used. So you know how to use it. Now just go back and test it on your demo accounts before using on the real money. The advantages of using TRIX is, you know, its fluctuation, as I said, because, you know, it's excellent filtration of the market noises is very helpful. So that's the reason we may use this indicator over the moving average itself. One more thing to discuss is the divergence. You know, many oscillators have divergence signals as well. So looking at a couple of, just trying to see if any divergence we had. Not really on this one. Yeah, this one is divergence. So if you just draw a line from this top, sorry, from here to here, and to a segment, and this one you can see we have a divergence here, and this is a bull divergence. So we have higher highs on the TRIX indicator and lower high on the price itself. That indicates a trend reversal, and then you know that you should look for a signal to go long. This one worked nicely. You can look for the other side as well, but on this side, this is the only one I can see anyway on this chart. Some people say that I should work more on the videos that I'm making, but the thing is, my videos is just, you know, spontaneously created. You know, I just open a chart and start talking about an indicator. You know, I don't get anything prepared before, and I think this is the best way to create the real videos. I don't want to add, sexy photos and just make up something. I just look at the charts with you guys at the same time, and we discuss what we can see, and I try to explain what I know about uh, different indicators. Yep, so that was all for today. I hope you learned something new and have a nice day. See you later.